Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm decorating my kitchen and dining room console. You can also call it a credenza. You can also call it a buffet, but I'm gonna call it a console. So however you want to use it, because I already have a server which is yeah, like a buffet. So this is like more like, I guess they're all the same thing. All right, so I'm gonna decorate this very simple and elegant for you today. And all the pieces that I'm using are pieces that I've already had, pre-existing pieces. So I guess you could say I'm shopping my home. If you are new to my channel, I'm Maria. What I do on this channel is clean, organize, and decorate. If you are into content like that, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, as well as click the all notification bell so that you'll be the first to get my videos once they go up. And also give me a big thumbs up for this video as well. All right, so let's get right into it. The console is already clean to begin with, so I have my pieces that I'm going to be using right here, so I'm going to be picking them up as I go. So this is one piece. I like it because it has a warm feeling to it. It's a warm vibe to it, and it's somewhat rustic, and I like the rustic look, and it gives me a cozy vibe. So I'm going to put that right there. This is the other piece that I'm going to be using. This one, and of course all these pieces have the color scheme that I'm going for. This one shows character, you know, and life, and it's unique, it's different. So I like this piece right here. I don't have any pampas grass, but I'll get some pampas grass and you know, maybe put some in the top right there. This right here is like a chain link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that in the middle. I want it to fall a certain way. Yeah, like that. And then I had these two pieces. They used to be silver, but I spray painted them gold because I prefer them in that color to add to the color scheme that I'm going for. And I just think they look nicer this way as well. I'm just dusting pieces right now. It's gonna go right here, and this is gonna go right there. Very simple. I like kind of turn the face that way because that's just my thought. I want it to look angled. Yeah, very simple, very elegant. And what I did was, you guys probably can't see, but let me position the camera to where you can see. Moving, you guys. All right, so right on the ground I have these, let me get an angle to where you could see it, these decorative books. It's like the world map, the map of the world theme that's on the book. Those three books. They're also good for storing items. I like them. I've had them for a while. I just love the artistic vibe and theme that it's giving off. And I added that bead to it. And I just like the vibe. It adds more coziness and warmth to the space as well. Yeah, so it's typically like a tabletop decor, But you know, lanterns are also tabletop, but they can also be on the ground. So, you know, just play around with it and, you know, what you like. If you're getting the vibe from what you come up with, what you create, or if you're inspired by this video, you can also go ahead and do that. What I have above the console, that was there from before. I'm going to put you guys back to the original spot where I had my my tripod. Yeah. So what I have on top of the console, that was there from before. I have this this welcome wall decor. I have this mail holder and key holder. So what I plan to do is, because I want to keep the space useful, because I'm going to also store stuff in the console. It has a drawer right here and a wider drawer right here, and it also has 3 doors down there for storing like your crockeries or, you know, whatever it is that you want to store from your kitchen. Yeah, so I'm going to keep this right above it very useful, because I'm going to still put my letters in here, my mail. The reason why I like to sort my mail is because I struggle with my mails. I get a lot of junk mail. So as soon as I get my mail, I try to go through it as soon as possible, get rid of the junk and, you know, sort. And what I think I want to put above this is going to be a mirror. Yeah. So I'll eventually move this and I'll put a mirror above here. And I'll just, like, you know, play around with stuff. I don't always keep everything in the same position. Like I said, I did shop the home. These used to be in different locations. So periodically, I'll just change things around. Yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope it was inspirational. Like I said, if you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Like, yeah, thumbs up, comment, and share. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye, guys.